Every day, your potential customers are searching for your business. They're going online and looking for keywords like hardware, hardware store, plumbing, paint, lumber, nursery. By picking the very best keywords and getting to the top of Google search results, you can make more money online. Chorion.com will create a step-by-step plan to your online success, because we know that the wild world of internet marketing can be confusing and challenging. Let us do the work for you. We will optimize your Google Places listing. We will be able to show you the very best keywords and what you can learn from your competitors to get past them, get to the top of those search results. Get started by going to Chorion.com/hardware. And let us show you how to improve your website, answer your customers' questions, get to the top of search results, and bottom line, drive more customers to your door.